The Prince Albert knot is the knot you'll choose when you're feeling particularly pompous in the morning. It offers an asymmetric, slender look that will give an elegant statement in the boardroom. It's unclear as to where this knot got its name exactly, because we're 100% sure Prince Albert never wore it. We're just gonna assume it's because it'll make you look like a badass king. Now, grab your crown, shirt, and let's get tying. Place the tie around your neck with the wide end lower than the skinny end. Adjust according to your height. Cross the wide end over the skinny end to create a cross. Wrap it behind the skinny end and pull towards your left. Place your finger under the fabric to create a loop. Cross the wide end over the knot towards your right. Wrap it behind the knot and pull it towards your left. Cross it over the knot towards your right. Wrap it behind the knot and pull towards the left. Keep your finger in the loop. Pull it up through the neck loop from underneath. Push the wide end through the loops you've created in the knot. Pull down on the wide end to tighten the knot. Slide the knot up towards your neck and adjust as you need. Well, you've mastered a tricky knot, my friend. You're now undoubtedly the most handsome guy in the room. I think even Prince Albert would turn his head. For our full range of ties, check out OTAA.com. Now, smash that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.